Hello, and welcome to a tutorial to ActionScript 3 on local data storage. With local data storage, the user can have personalized information by saving the data on the device, along with reading the data. In this example, we have an area where we can input text. Sammy was typed into this text area, and it shows that it recognizes information was added. However, this data is not saved, so when it is restarted, it no longer knows what my name is, and I will have to tell the program again. We have to open the script by pressing F9 and begin by adding the shared object variable. This is done by typing in var space any word you want. So for this example, I use myself, then colon shared objects. Then an equal sign is added, followed by a shared object dot get local, which is one word with a capital R, followed by open bracket, open speech mark, and any text you want. So for this scenario, I used my name. Then you close the speech mark and bracket, followed by a semicolon. If you are writing the script directly in a Flash file, it should automatically import the shared object package. However, if you are writing this on an ActionScript file, make sure you import flash.net.sharedObject, otherwise it will not work. To save the data is simple. All you need to do is to get data from the shared object variable name. So in this instance, it is mycell.data.anything you wish this to be. It does not have to be a current variable, but for this example, it is player name. You then equal this to what you want this to be, so I want this to save the text that was inputted. This does not save the data as of yet. To save the data, you need to do the shared object variable name, followed by a .flash with open and closed bracket. This has to be done every time you wish to save the data. We shall now add a trace to check whether the save actually worked. So we shall now test whether it works. We shall input my name in and press confirm. We can tell by the trace output that this did work. For reading the local data, we have basically already accomplished this when we traced the local data in the previous example. We want there to be text at the top of the Flash program that will save a name that was previously inputted before it was closed down. For data, we need to replace the text so we can see it. To do this, we need to read the local data by typing in your shared object variable, in which my case is mycell.data.your local data, which in my case is player name. Be aware, if the shared object variable and the shared object package has not been created, this will not work. You may not want some data to appear when you have no saved data available. To do this, you need to do an if function with the local data of if it is not a null. To make it not equal it, simply put the exclamation mark followed by the equal sign. Add what will happen when it is not a null. In this case, it will show the user's name. You then need to add an else function which will appear if the local data is a null. If there is no saved local data, it would not work. However, as soon as you save the local data, it will work and show your name when you reopen the program. When should you use a flash? A. Whenever you want to read data. B. Whenever you want to save data. C. At the start of a script. Or D. At the end of a script. You should only use flash whenever you want to save data. Remember, you need to do this each time you need to save data, so you may need to use it quite a few times in one program. Which is the correct package for shared object? A. Flash.net.sharedObject. B. Flash.data.sharedObject. C. Flash.local.sharedObject. Or D. Flash.storage. flash.net.sharedObject. Flash.net.sharedObject is the correct answer. Always make sure you include this whenever you use shared objects. What is a shared object variable equal to? A. SharedObject.getNet local data. B. SharedObject.getData local data. C. SharedObject.getLocal local data. Or D. SharedObject.getStorage local data. SharedObject.getLocal is the correct answer. The local data part can be changed to your preference. Thank you for watching this Flash ActionScript free video on local data storage.